back to my channel. Today we will be discussing laws of exponents. Now many students find this very confusing. So we are going to start with the basics and discuss the basic laws of exponents. Let's see the first law. So the first property is x to the power of m multiplied to x to the power of n gives x to the power of m plus n. Let's see an example. 2 to the power 3 multiplied to 2 to the power 4 gives 2 to the power 3 plus 4. You know why? Because 2 to the power 3 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. Right. And then we have 4. 2 into 2 into 2. So when we add them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 to the power of 7. So this is what we get at the end. So this is also nothing but 2 to the power 3 plus 4. So both of them result in 2 to the power of 7. So this was the first property. But you must always remember this is only applicable where the bases are same and it's a multiplication sign. Alright guys, this is the next property. X to the power of n divided by x to the power of n results in x to the power of n minus n. So let's take 2 cubed divided by 2 squared. This will result in 2 to the power of 3 minus 2. Do you know why? Because 2 to the power of 3 is 2 into 2 into 2, which gives 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. And then 2 squared is 2 into 2, which is 4. Right. So when we subtract the powers, we get 3 minus 2 to the power of 1, which gives 2. And when we divide 8 from 4, 8, 4, we get 2. And that's why x to the power of m divided by x to the power of n equals x to the power m minus n. And again, the bases are the same and the sign is division. So the next property is x to the power of m whole to the power of n results in x to the power of m multiplied by n. Let's take an example. 3 squared to the power of 3, which gives us 3 into 3 to the power of 3. This results in 9 to the power of 3, which is nothing but 9 into 9 into 9, which gives us what? 729. And on the other hand, we have 3 squared, 3 to the power of 2 into 3, which is nothing but 3 to the power of 6. So we can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, which also results in 729. 729? 729. So we can conclude that x to the power of m whole to the power of n results in x to the power of n multiplied by n. Alright guys, this is the next property. X to the power of n multiplied by y to the power of n gives us x into y to the power of n. So here the bases are different, but the exponents are the same. And the sign is multiplication. Okay, so let's take an example. 2 squared into 4 squared will give us 2 into 4 squared. First, let's do LHS. 2 squared is nothing but 4, and 4 squared is nothing but 16. Not 8, 16. Now what's the result? 64. Yeah. So the result is 64. Now let's do RHS. 2 fours are 8, 8 squared, which gives us nothing but 64. 64? 64. And thus, x to the power of m multiplied by y to the power of n gives us x into y to the power of n. X to the power of m divided by y to the power of m equals x by y whole to the power of m. So let's take 4 square divided by 2 square, which gives us x by y whole square. So what's 4 square? 16. And 2 square? 4. What it results in? 4. Now, x by y. 4 by 2 square. So 2 ones are, 2 twos are. 2 square is 4. So, in the end, we can conclude that x to the power of n divided by y to the power of n gives us x by y to the power of n. Alright, the easiest property, x to the power of 0 gives 1. 1. So let's take 2 to the power of 0, it will result in 1. 3. So, x to the power of 0 equals 1. If 2 squared is 4, and 2 to the power of 0 is 1, then what is 2 to the power of 1? Well, 2 to the power of 1 is nothing but 2. As simple as that. Alright guys, those were the positive exponents. Well, what about negative exponents? X to the power of minus n will result in 1 by x to the power of positive n. So we're just reciprocating. It is very necessary for us to reciprocate because we cannot solve negative exponents as they are. We need to convert them into positive exponents. Let's take an example. 2 by 4 to the power of minus 2 into 2 squared. So here we have a positive exponent and here a negative exponent. We need to bring them into similar forms to equate. So as we saw, we need to reciprocate. So 2 by 1 by 4 to the power of 2 into 2 squared. So using your maths common sense, 4 will go up along with the 2 because 1 squared results in 1. So 2 into 4 squared into 2 squared. Then 2 into 16 into 4, which results in 128. Alright guys, these are all of the properties discussed today. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. You need to memorize all 7 of these to excel in exponents. See you in my next class. Bye!